Listen here, it's so soft. It's not big. Y'all see the mountain of curls? No shedding. This is HD lace. This is made by hand, not by factory. This is made by hand. You gotta get it to look at little baby hairs. It's bleached, not. This is all human hair. It is so soft. Look at this. You can't beat this quality. You guys gotta come down here and you gotta purchase these wigs. I'm definitely gonna give me one, so you definitely gotta come on. Definitely give me one please. The quality is phenomenal. You can't beat that. So come on down here and check them out, guys.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Bronner Brothers and China.Lacewig, and we have an HD lace wig. If you want this wig, it's gonna make you look like Beyonce, and it's so good, so soft. The lace, the knots are very small on the wig, and it's handsome. How it looks.
Oh, beautiful.
It's not glued on, y'all, but it's very nice, very soft, no shedding, and it's very good. So y'all should come check them out.
You can see some like comments.
I really love this wig. It's very nice, it's soft, it's long. A lot of times for like 613 wigs, they are very dry, but this one is very soft and very full. So I really love this wig.
China.Lacewig. I have this wig that I love and adore to wear. It's 22 inches. This is a 360 as well as it's HD lace. As you can see, it's already, no, this one's not pre-bleached.
Show me there's enough.